Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mobile standing desks that are available on the market for their true quality. These desks are perfect for anyone looking to stay productive while maintaining a healthy posture. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Anaplon Small Standing Desk, a versatile and compact option for those looking for a multifunctional desk. One of its standout features is its multi-purpose design, which includes a large cup holder, a tablet notch, and an iron hook for added organization. The desk's height is adjustable between 27.9 and 45.3 inches, making it suitable for both sitting and standing. Plus, its square-shaped 23.6-inch desktop provides ample space for your laptop and other essentials. The Anaplon desk scores points for its ergonomic design, allowing you to adjust the two wooden boards for either a flat surface or a tilted angle for typing. Ideal for reducing wrist strain. This product also includes 4 lockable wheels, offering excellent mobility and stability when needed. The desk's build quality is solid, with a combination of wood and a sturdy frame capable of handling up to 200 pounds. However, one downside is that it doesn't include all the assembly tools, which could be inconvenient for some users. In terms of value, this desk is perfect for those who need a portable workstation for multiple uses, whether for working, gaming, or even pairing it with a treadmill. However, the limited desktop size may not be ideal for those who need more workspace. Overall, if you're looking for a functional and mobile desk with a few handy features, the Anaplon is a reliable choice. If you're looking for a functional and mobile desk with a few handy features, the Anaplon is a reliable choice. If you're looking for a functional and mobile desk with a few handy features, this product also includes 4 lockable wheels, offering excellent mobility and stability when needed. The desk's build quality is solid. We have the Anaplon Small Standing Desk, a versatile and compact option for those looking for a multifunctional desk. Ideal for reducing wrist strain, which could be inconvenient for some users. In terms of value, this desk is Coming in at number 4, we have the WinAs Small Portable Rolling Standing Desk. This desk is designed with versatility in mind, offering a height range of 27.9 to 41.3 inches. The unique feature here is its storage capacity, with 2 fabric drawers, a shelf, a side storage bag, and 2 iron hooks. These storage options make it perfect for those who need to keep their workspace organized while working in tight spaces. The WinAs desk is built with high-quality particle board and a sturdy metal frame, giving it a stable structure that can handle daily wear and tear. The scratch-resistant and waterproof finish ensures it stays looking great over time. Mobility is another plus, as the desk is equipped with 4 swivel casters, 2 of which are lockable. While this desk is great for smaller setups, its 31.5-inch desktop may feel a bit cramped for users who need more workspace. This desk is an excellent choice for students, teachers, or anyone working from home who values storage and portability. However, the assembly process may take a bit longer than expected due to the inclusion of multiple components. Overall, the WinAs desk stands out for its storage and robust build, making it a practical option for those in need of a compact yet functional standing desk. At number 3, we have the Flexispot H7 Adjustable Overbed Table, which combines functionality and convenience in a sleek design. This desk's standout feature is its gas spring pneumatic lift system, allowing you to adjust the height effortlessly from 26 to 41.7 inches with a simple one-handed operation. It's an ideal option for those who need a desk that can seamlessly transition between sitting and standing. The Flexispot desk features a compact 27.6 by 15.7-inch desktop, making it perfect for laptops or tablets without taking up too much space. It's also fitted with 4 hidden casters for smooth mobility and space-saving storage, as the base can easily slide under furniture. The build quality is solid, with a combination of a sturdy metal frame and a laminated engineered wood top. However, its weight capacity of 13.2 kilograms might be limiting for users who need to place heavier equipment. This desk excels as a bedside or couch-side workstation, catering to those who work from unconventional spaces. It's also a great choice for healthcare settings, such as over-bed use. While it offers excellent ergonomics and mobility, the smaller desktop and limited capacity might not suit users with larger setups. Still, the Flexispot H7 is a standout option for its portability and smooth height adjustment system. Our runner-up at number 2 is the JYLH Joyseeker Mobile Standing Desk. This desk is all about combining functionality with a clean, modern design. With a desktop measuring 27.6 by 19.7 inches, it offers enough space for your laptop, notebooks, and other essentials. A standout feature is the built-in storage drawer, which helps keep your workspace clutter-free. It also includes a cup holder and hooks for added convenience. The desk's height adjustability is powered by a gas spring mechanism, allowing smooth transitions between 26.1 and 43.3 inches. It's perfect for those who frequently switch between sitting and standing. The build quality is impressive, with a robust alloy steel frame and eco-friendly engineered wood top, ensuring long-term durability. The hidden low-profile wheels make it easy to move around while maintaining a sleek look. This desk is ideal for professionals who value organization and style in their workspace. However, its weight of 32 pounds might make it slightly less portable compared to lighter options. Additionally, it may not be suitable for those needing larger desktops. Overall, the Joyseeker desk is a perfect blend of aesthetics, practicality, and modern features, making it an excellent choice for home offices. Finally, at number 1, we have the KLSMYOKI Standing Desk. This desk takes the top spot for its combination of affordability, functionality, and durability. The height is adjustable from 27 to 43.5 inches, providing flexibility for both sitting and standing positions. The 31.5 by 16-inch tabletop offers ample workspace, while its sleek white finish makes it an aesthetically pleasing addition to any home office setup. What sets the KLSMYOKI apart is its exceptional build quality. Made with heavy-duty steel and reinforced with a thickened steel frame, this desk boasts incredible stability, capable of supporting up to 180 pounds. The 4 lockable wheels ensure smooth mobility while keeping the desk secure when stationary. Assembly is straightforward, though it does not include all tools, which could require some additional preparation. This desk is ideal for those who want a durable and versatile workstation without breaking the bank. The combination of a sturdy frame, ergonomic adjustability, and sleek design makes it a standout choice for both small and large home office setups. While it lacks advanced features like built-in storage or a larger workspace, its overall quality and performance make it the best mobile standing desk in our lineup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.